This automated warehouse operates as the finished goods logistics core of a smart factory. All products enter the warehouse only after production and packaging are fully completed.
The warehouse begins where manufacturing ends.
This boundary defines the transition from manufacturing to logistics execution. Manufacturing and logistics operate as one connected system.
Finished goods are prepared for automated storage and distribution. Finished products are packed automatically at the end of each production line. Weight and packaging integrity are verified in line. Each carton receives a unique digital identity. Cartons are assembled into standardized pallets. Each pallet becomes the basic logistics unit. Pallets are stabilized for automated handling. Mechanical stability is confirmed before storage. Pallet data is synchronized with warehouse systems. Only validated pallets proceed to storage.
The warehouse receives finished goods continuously.
Quality status determines warehouse access.
Release decisions are managed digitally. Non-released pallets never enter storage. Once released, pallets are authorized for put away.
Physical movement follows digital approval. The warehouse operates without manual intervention. Finished goods are stored in automated high-density systems. Pallets are routed precisely to storage zones. Precisely to storage zones. Automated cranes handle all vertical movement. Each pallet is physically supported at all times. Shuttle systems optimize space utilization.
Storage location is selected by algorithm.
Inventory position is recorded instantly. The system scales with production output.
Every pallet location is digitally mapped.
Safety and precision operate together.
Storage density is maximized without congestion.
Storage operations are fully automated. Inventory is tracked continuously. Manufacturing execution feeds logistics systems. Enterprise systems use real-time warehouse data. Data integration drives decision-making. Stock rotation rules are enforced automatically.
Exceptions are managed proactively.
Performance is continuously optimized. Stability defines smart logistics. Customer orders initiate outbound flows. The system retrieves exactly what is required. Pallets move automatically toward shipping. Orders are staged by destination.
Dock usage is optimized digitally.
Timing is synchronized with transport. Final handling remains controlled and safe. Shipment verification is mandatory. Pallets are loaded according to plan. Shipment integrity is secured. P53 WMS confirmation of goods issue. Inventory updates in real time. The logistics cycle is complete.
Production and logistics operate as one system.
Continuous flow defines efficiency.
Every movement follows system logic. Automation improves energy efficiency. Accurate coordination reduces waste and errors.
This is industrial logistics at scale.
From packaging to shipping, everything is connected. Smart factories extend beyond production lines. Logistics is the silent engine of manufacturing.
This is how an automated warehouse is integrated in a smart factory.